Hey friends, if you wish to find the voice recorder app sound recording file saving location, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we'll search for voice recorder or sound recorder. We'll go to the sound recorder app. For the sake of this example, we will record a certain sound. Okay. So we are recording again. Recording, and then stop. Okay. And now we need to find its location. So one thing is to right click on it and select show in folder, and it shows in the folder. Okay. And the other one is, you can notice location. This is the location. This is your username. It's C drive users, documents and sound recordings. That's where you'll find it. So it's easy. Just right click on it and select show in folder. And all of the recordings show on the list on the left hand side so you can search them easily. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.